Usual.
Or yung hindi ka makapaniwalang ginawa mo. Ganun. For love.
Does it have to be kahit love for a friend
Sige.
or love for a coworker?
Oh, sure.
Siguro itong Secretary Kim. Dahil sa pagmamahal ko bilang katrabaho ka at sa lahat ng binigay mo sa Linlang. So, pambawi sa'yo. So, I'm here in Secretary Kim to
Eh,
give back.
Sobrang funny
To
siya
give
dito.
back.
Sobrang funny siya talaga. Hindi na siya si Paolo Abilino.
Teka lang, pagmamahal yung pinag-uusapan, ba't mo change topic?
Siyempre, pinupuri kita.
Okay.
Wait, hindi namin kinakaya. Kinakaya niyo ba yung sagot ni Paolo? Wait lang. Parang kailangan natin a few moments of silence for that. Wow, okay. So, itong Secretary Kim, dahil nga unusual siya sa, kung ikukumpara sa mga usual na ginagawa mong projects, Paolo. Ah, okay.
I think if it was offered to me and it wasn't Kim, I'd probably have second thoughts. Yeah.
So, because it was Kim, wala nang isip-isip, yes, go agad.
Because of Kim and Sir Deos.
Oh. Thank you.
Ang ganda